This is the Vivosun green corner grow tent. Of course, it's not set up yet, but these are the parts. Over here we have the frame, the corner pieces, right here, the hanging support for anything you need to hang inside the tent like a grow light, and the outer part. This grow tent is very convenient because it can fit flush in the corner of any room. It's great for saving space and using in any house. Well, let's take a look how it's set up. The connecting joints of the poles and corners are all made of metal. Even the button and the springs inside are all metallic. This makes the Vivosun tent much more durable and long-lasting than other tents. This is the hanging support for the middle of the grow tent. It hangs on the top by attaching these 3 arms. The triangular nature of this makes it incredibly strong. Let's see how it goes on. All right, very sturdy here on the tent. We'll open up the entire tent outside to put it on the frame. That includes these outside zippers and the Velcro portion at the bottom. This Velcro portion is a perfect reference point because it'll usually go right on the hypotenuse angle, bottom side of the tent. So this is your reference point for setting up the triangle at the base, okay? When we're putting the frame into this bottom triangle, we'll do the outer corners first, and then do the right angle. All right, it'll go in smoothly that way, otherwise it's a bit finicky to get in. All right, now we'll just drape the rest over the top. And there you have it, the Vivosun green corner grow tent. On top of the grow tent, there are 3 air vents that are 6 inches in diameter and 1 that's 4 inches in diameter. It comes together pretty easily, but just make sure that you've set it up just the way I did, otherwise it'll be kind of frustrating. This front panel is an observation window. We can roll that up to look inside of the plants. We can attach it right here with this Velcro strap so it doesn't fall down again. As you can see, the inside of the tent is all this silver mylar material. This is ultra reflective and spreads the light evenly in every direction so that there are no hot zones or cold zones in your tent, meaning all the plants will grow nice and evenly. Inside, you can watch your plants grow if you keep it open, or if you want all the light to stay in, you can close it again. The zippers are double lined so that no light can escape. Let's close it up. This bottom flap is sealed with Velcro, but the Velcro is also very light resistant. It won't let any light out and helps seal in air. There are 2 observation windows right here and over there. We can open them up and they can either serve as indications on if the light's on or off, or air intakes for when your vent is going out. For moving plants in and out of the tent, we can utilize the entire front face. Just flip the front over the back and we can enter and access the entirety of the inside. Okay.